Welcome to WorkSmart Hub. Today we are tackling how to convert PDF to Excel and Excel to PDF. First we'll convert Excel spreadsheet into PDF file and then we'll use different methods to convert this PDF back to Excel, both online and offline, paid and free. So stay tuned and watch the full video. We have this small table in Microsoft Excel and we are going to save this in PDF format using two different techniques. In first technique, we simply click File, Print, make sure printer is selected as Print to PDF or Save to PDF or something like that, and click Print. This will open the Save As window. Select the location, write the name of the file, and click Save. There you go, you have the PDF file which is converted from Excel for free. In second technique, you go to File, click Save As, and browse if you have newer version of Office. This will open the Save As window. Select the location, write the name of file, select Save As Type to PDF, and click Save. There you go, another way to convert Excel file for free into PDF. Now we're going to use this PDF which we created and convert it to Excel using different methods. Let me show you how to convert this file into Excel using Power Query. You'll need Excel program and that's it. In new Excel spreadsheet, go to Data tab. In Get and Transform Data, click Get Data from File, from PDF. Select the PDF. This will open the navigator window where you'll see table or page. Select the table or page from here, which gives you the best output. You can click Load or Transform Data. Load will directly load this to table, and Transform Data is where a Power Query editor window will be opened and you can do some editing before loading this into Excel. You can also do this later. So let's click Transform Data. It will take some time. Once you have this editor, you can do some editing. If you don't know how to use Power Query editor, then you can find the videos in the link in description below. I'll just click here and click Use First Row as header. You can also change the formats or whatever you think you like. And at the end, click here, close and load. You will get the data here. Although you cannot edit or change anything in here, but you can copy this and paste into a new file or tab. Now you can do whatever you want. So this is the Excel file we got from Power Query and converted PDF into Excel. Another method which is offline but is paid is where you have Adobe Acrobat Pro. You simply have this file, you open this with Adobe Acrobat DC or Adobe Acrobat Pro. It will open in the Adobe Acrobat Pro. All you have to do is click File, Export to, Spreadsheet, Microsoft Excel Workbook. It will ask you location and file name. Let's type a file name and click Save. It will start processing the file and will open the Excel file. As you can see, both were offline and one was paid and other was free software. Here you got this data from Power Query. In here you can see every spelling and everything is in here as compared to what we got from Adobe. You can see there E is missing here, double L is missing here. So in my opinion, Power Query works better than Adobe Acrobat, but again it depends on the data. Let's try to do online and free options. First we have this website where you go to internet browser. Let's try this one. Here you go to internet browser, type smallpdf.com/pdf dash converter and press enter. You can also select the link from the description below. Here you choose files, select the file which you want to convert. It will upload, then it will work, and it will ask you which format do you want to convert. You can convert to any of these formats. Let's select Excel, and this is a pro function, so we'll go for this and click convert. There you go. You can click download and you'll get the file in Excel. Next method is this one, where you go to ilovepdf.com/pdf_2_Excel. Again, you can find the link in the description. Once you open the website, go for select PDF. Select the PDF. Again, there are two options. This is paid one, this is free. We go for free and click convert to Excel. And here you can click on download Excel, or it will download automatically. In third method, we have pdf.io/pdf2xls. You can also find the link in the description. You go to this website, you choose file, select the PDF and download. That's it. These are simple methods as compared to the other ones, the Power Query, but we have some limitations on these websites. Some of these provide few number of pages, some of these provide few number of PDFs per day, and so on. And now we got our PDF converted into Excel using different methods, and let's try to see which one is the best. In I Love PDF, we are missing some letters here. In small PDF, again, we are missing some letters here. In pdf.io Excel file, this is better than the other two for online options because all letters and everything is there in the output. And I already showed you that Adobe converter missed some letters as compared to Power Query version where we had everything. And both of these were desktop version, one was paid and the other was not. There are many online free PDF converters, but at the end there are some limitations, like some have limited number of files per day while other allow limited number of pages, some have limited functionality and so on. But we still got some free websites to convert PDF into Excel. Also, it depends on PDF file itself, if it is readable or not. If it is a scanned document, or maybe the fonts are not good enough to read, then even paid or any good converter won't help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Stay blessed, stay tuned for the next exciting videos.